I created the song and created a perfectly lip synced music video completely using AI. And you can use those tools right now. Perfectly lip synced music video sounds complicated, but it was damn easy. I'm going to show you exactly how I did it in simple steps. We are talking about the future where anyone can create a music video just from their studio. This new workflow doesn't just saves you time and money, but also gives you the full control right into your hand. As I am not a musician, I am taking the help of AI to create a song. But if you are a musician or a composer, the entire process remains same, where you will be using your own composed song. In 4 easy simple steps, we'll create a perfectly lip-synced music video. Let's dive in. Step 1. Creating the song. You cannot create a music video without an amazing song. But creating a song using AI is very simple. I'm going to use Suno for this. Suno is a AI music generator where you can just simply describe your concept just using few simple words and it will create an amazing song. And you can also take the help of ChatGPT, describe your concept to write a lyric for you. I asked to create a song on You Are So Cute. Once your lyric is ready in ChatGPT, copy the entire lyric and paste it in Suno. I will prefer custom because you will have the full control on the music. Here you can just describe your style in simple keywords like hard rock, metal, blues, jazz, whatever you want. And these are my style keywords for this song. And even you can select any tags from here. In the style section, specify if you want a male voice song or a female voice song. And click on create, and in no time it will create two songs for you. By the time it's generating, you can subscribe my channel. It's completely free and it will help my channel to grow. In Suno, you can generate 10 songs per account for free. So these are the two variants. Oh my god, you're so cute. And once you are happy, download the song. Step 2. Creating the characters and the visuals. Now we need to create the visuals for the music video. This is where most of the people get stuck. There are two major ways by which you can create consistent characters. If you want to create a virtual character of a real person I mean to say like me or someone or a model or an actor, you have to custom train a AI model. I have a separate video for that. I'll add the link of that video down in the description. And the second way is creating an AI character, the character that doesn't exist in this real world. It is completely AI generated. I'm going to use the second method. There are two major tools, Midjourney and Ideogram. In both these tools, you can generate consistent characters with one single reference image. I'm going to use Midjourney because of its cinematic look. I thought of a concept. This music video happens inside a shopping center. This shopping center is on the top of a mountain covered with snow. I'll be using magenta and pink vibe because this is a little bit girly song. The female character is basically the cashier, and these are the two main characters that I have selected. The lip sync will happen with the female character. First, you need to upload these character faces in Midjourney. Drag the character in the Omni reference and set the value to 100, which is default. Any value between 100 to 200 works best. I am using 100. The challenge is the music video happens inside the shopping center. So there should be a consistency in the visual of the shopping center as the background throughout all the different shots. To create that consistency, tell ChatGPT that you are creating a music video. Add some reference images of the interior of the shopping center and overall vibe that you want, and upload the character face also. You want consistency in the visual of the shopping center, so describe the character face along with the concept. Give me 20 different concept ideas and also add some important keywords that aligns with your final music video look, like pop. So it will get all the informations from your reference images, from the keywords, and even from the characters. And tell ChatGPT to come up with 10 different Midjourney prompts and define that you are going to use Midjourney version 7. Copy each prompt and paste it along with the Omni reference in Midjourney and keep generating all the ideas. Once you are done with the 10, if you want more ideas, tell ChatGPT to generate more 10 ideas. You can keep going in this way. Some ideas will be great, some ideas will be a trash. So you have to keep choosing. Upload the second character image. This is the second character, but the interior store remains same. Come up with 10 more different ideas. That's how you can generate consistent visuals with different characters. Once you are happy with all the visuals, we have to start generating the videos. There are two major reasons why I am using Midjourney video generation. First, it generates more natural dance movements. And second, we can generate unlimited videos. More options we have, the better the music video will look. Even you can take a subscription in Freepik where you can access all the top video generating models in one place. In the generated videos, you can see the characters is singing and dancing without the voice. Don't worry about the lip movement, will override in the next step. Part 3, character lip sync. This step is the most easiest step. If you are a singer, musician, or a composer, your workflow gets more simpler because you have a separate track of your voice. But creators who are using AI generated musics, you have to extract the voice layer. You have to upload the AI generated song in Fader under Steam and click on create process. It's free to use. It will take some time, like 5 minutes, and it will break the song in different tracks, different MIDI layers. We are concerned about the vocal layer.
Oh my God, you're so cute in that shirt and attitude.
So download it. Now we have to chop the audio vocal part in different parts. All our generated videos are mostly 5 second to 10-second long. I'm going to use Premiere Pro. You can use any video editing tool. The vocal starts from here. So I will place the in point and I will add the out point after 8 seconds. I have 5 seconds of video, but always keep a extra audio space before and after. And why I'm saying this, you will see in some time. From here, select MP3 and export the file. I'm going to use Kling AI for the lip sync because it's the cheapest and creates good quality lip sync. I'm showing you techniques because every day some new tools are coming. You can use any other tool instead of this, but the process remains same. Go to video, then you can see AI lip sync. Click here and upload the video that you have generated. It will take some time detecting the character and click on local dubbing. Here you need to upload the small portion of the voice track that you have just exported from Premiere Pro. Upload that track and it will analyze and click on add speech and you can see your audio track just below the video layer. So now you can adjust the audio track with the visual if needed. So you have some room for it and click on generate.
Oh my God, you're so cute.
Nothing should come in front of the lip at any point in the video. It destroyed the entire lip sync. So repeat this process whenever you want the lip sync to happen in the music video. Step 4, the final edit. I'm using Premiere Pro for the final edit. Create a 1920 x 1080p project. Bring the final song. Add it to the audio track. This is the song that is generated by Suno. Bring the voice extracted audio layer also. Drag it just below the final layer and mute that layer. We just need to see the wave structure to match and sync. One by one, drag the lip sync video files on the timeline, align with the voice, see the frequency structure and align it properly. Or you can use select the lip sync video with the audio layer and the extracted audio layer, right click and sync it. I've used this, but most of the time it's not accurate. So I just see the waveform and align my video with the audio layer to mute audio layer that comes with the video. For these areas, we will use different B-rolls to hide this portion. And those B-roll cuts will be done based on the sound bits. There are now a lot of empty space where only audio is happening. Start placing all the B-rolls that you have generated. So every cut should synchronize with the sound bit. Never use same length of video every time. Sometimes you use 2 seconds, sometimes you use 5 seconds. There should be a variation. Be as creative as you can. Once you are done with the entire placing of all B-rolls and the lip sync videos, you can apply some light leaks, lens flare, film grain, and all sort of effects and add a master adjustment layer with some color adjustment LUT. Do not overdo it. This is my music video. Enjoy.
Oh my God, you're so cute in that shirt and attitude. Got me wrapped in your mood. Will you be my comfort food? Oh boy, you're just too cute. Lights low, but you still shine. A kiss away from crossing the line. just too cute. You walk in, I lose pursuit. Oh boy, you're just too cute. Sweet like cherry summer fruit. You walk in, I stay mute. You walk in, my thoughts reboot. You walk in, I lose pursuit. Oh boy, you're just too